Hi, I'm Mike Salicio, and we run the Papasula. We're going out to a place called Raspado. We're going to fish some sailfish, some dorado, and hopefully we'll be very successful and come back with a lot of fish for everybody. We're going to have a great day. It's a great day for fishing. The water's down, nice and flat, so we should have a nice, comfortable ride out there, and hopefully the fish will be biting. So that's what we're going to be doing today.
It was a beautiful day here in the Papagayo. Today, friends Steve Lloyd, John Aston, Mike Salicio, and I were headed way out into the Gulf in search of dinner and hopefully catching a sport fish or two. Right after Jose finished rigging our lines, we began stalking a floating log. For it is here dorado or mahi-mahi are likely to hang out. We were right, for in just a few minutes they took our bait and we began reeling in tonight's dinner. But the big winner of the day was John Aston, for it was John who finally lost his sailfish Cherry just 5 miles off the coast of Playa Hermosa. As the sailfish struggled to break free, John became increasingly determined to land this behemoth. John's fight lasted for more than a half an hour, resulting in both fish and angler completely drained of all energy. It was then when Jose sprang into action, assisting John in getting this beast onto the boat. Although completely exhausted, John did have the strength to yell out, "Get a damn camera, for God's sakes!" Sailfish are sporting fish, and under Costa Rican law they're protected. After the obligatory photo op, we carefully lowered this magnificent fish back into the water, where Jose allowed water to pass through the fish's gills, thereby forcing needed oxygen back into its body. And then in an instant, Jose let go, and the fish went deep, so as to fight another day.